called the good behavior game. And in the good behavior game, it always changes. The teams will change, the rules will change, and the reward changes. So today we're going to try it, and we're going to have our teams be the hummingbirds, the robins, the cardinals, and the bluebirds. Now, when I make the rule, if you break the rule, your team gets a point. And you do not want points, because the team with the least amount of points will win the game. The rule today is going to be no talking. That means if your team talks, you're going to get a point on it. And we're going to set a time, and so within that time, if your team has the least amount of points, then you're going to win the game. So I'm going to write down here, our rule is no talking. Now our reward is going to be at 11:45, which is 30 minutes. So for the next 30 minutes we're going to play. And if your team at the end of that 30 minutes has the least amount of points, your reward will be, instead of ST Math, you'll get to play computer games. But up until 11:30, that's when we're keeping track of points. Brianna?
What if two teams have the same amount of points?
Good question. If two teams are tied for the points, they both will get the reward if they have the least amount.
So if one person talks, messes up.
Yep. If one person on your team, that's why you got to remind your teammates that you're on the same team here, and you all want to remind each other to have your voices off, since the rule's no talking. That's the closest I could think of. So it seems like it'd be really heavy, but it's not super, super heavy. Got a point. Sorry. All right, so a dollar bill. Kind of like any questions before we get started on it? Hayden?
Why do bluebirds have a face?
Because one of the bluebirds was talking. All right, guys. So it's 11:45. So our time for a good behavior game is up, and our winners of the computer games is robins and cardinals. So at this time, if it's your choice, if you'd like to do ST Math still, you may. But if you'd like to play a computer game, you may.